Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off sound effect in Warpath Ace Shooter. So in order to do that, first of all, open up the Warpath Ace Shooter game on your device and wait for it to load into the main screen. Once you're in the game lobby, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now, click on the Options button at the bottom right. From the menu that appears, go ahead and select General. Scroll down from the General tab and get to this Music Volume option. Simply go ahead and slide the little white dots towards the left hand side of the screen and make it appear like this. Once you turn off all of those volumes, you will then be able to turn off the music and sound effect on your Warpath Ace Shooter game. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the sound effects in Warpath Ace Shooter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick gaming guides. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.